Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to this Wednesday afternoon, February 23rd. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile, SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. A lot to talk about. First and foremost, did not expect what transpired today to really happen, to be honest. But the game plan changes, right? You have to adapt. I could have been very stubborn today and got hurt. I did tremendous amount of trading. Biggest lot was 20 on the day. Most of my lots were between 5 and 10. I did a couple of threes. The biggest one was 20 and literally smacked the living crap out of it all day on both sides of the market. After we took out the day's low in D, though, I did take a couple of small longs, but for the most part, I took a couple of small longs against yesterday's low, but then after that, it was all shorts in KLM. Wasn't even thinking about a long. I said, unless we stop one time framing down, I will not look for a long. We kept the room out of trouble. I said there is no reason in the world to be looking for longs. Okay? Once this market got going again, below D's low, and especially, we go out with 3 sets of single prints. We had an attempted 5. Russell goes out with 2. They go out with J and B. So they have a triple distribution day. We have a triple distribution day, as does Qs, who go out with J. I thought they had 3. Yes, they do. K, J, and B. I'm going to go over some of their charts. So this video might be a little longer, but hopefully it's worth you a while. I mean, tremendous range. We have just under a $12 range, $11.91 it looks like. We have 120 million on the tape with the after hours, so it's above average. I mean, fantastic. I want to throw out a shout out to Cathie Woods. I mean, I know she's getting her head bashed in, so I don't know if she listens to the video or not. Probably not. But if you are out there, listen, contact me, Paul at CamelbackTrading.org. If you, first of all, I'll give you a discount on the trading room since you're having trouble. But if you have 20 million laying around that you don't want to keep buying those stocks in, throw it to me, and I bet you I could do a better return than what you've gotten over the last 6 months or so. So to go over all my trades is crazy. It's seriously, I probably traded too much today, but the opportunities were there. These things were moving incredibly. So it gave me tremendous opportunities, and I took both sides of the market because of it. G period, you know, we went, so let's go over what happened today. We opened right around the afternoon rally high from yesterday. We took it out. We took out no, we didn't get the overnight high. But value went overlapping a higher. So when A went down, I'm like, okay, no big deal. When B went down and started one-time framing and started taking back all of M's range, I'm not going to lie, I was quite surprised. Now, I was short in B, but I was quite surprised. And then when we went trend in C, I was even more shocked because we had an inside day at the time with unchanged value trend down. To put that into context, look what we tried to do yesterday and couldn't go trend. So think about that. So I was a little taken back by that. But again, just like a football coach or anybody else, yeah, your game plan has to change when the game changes. Well, the game changed. Then the market got too short and they started rallying. We were already 5 wide. I'm like, well, I'm looking for shorts, but I didn't look for anything big because I didn't expect the trend day down in the first place. So that probably kept me out of a size short. Because if it was a normal day, I said this to the room. I said if it was quote unquote a normal trend day, where I kind of, we had lower value. I'm not surprised by what happened. I would have absolutely have taken at least a 50 lot up here, if not 100. I didn't take bigger than a 5 lot because it was like, wow, we took out F's high. We're going to go fill these singles? We had a highest accepted price. What's a highest accepted price? That's when A closes, B opens, it went up a penny and never saw it again and drove down. That's pretty powerful. I was not expecting that initially on a day like today. So even though I changed my game plan, it's still in the back of my head when we rally in F and G. Are they going to go back and take all this back now? I didn't expect it, especially with the 5 wide pocket stuff down there. But I wasn't comfortable taking the big size, at least not yet. And I didn't, but I still had a very good day. And then after they attempted to rally, we had a reversal bar in G, took out F's high, took out G's low, started one-time framing, and it one-time framed down all afternoon. And once They battled yesterday's low 3 times, and then once they finally got acceptance below it, boom. Rats left the ship. Trend day, 3 sets of single prints. So, excellent day. Again, the purposes of this room and these videos are to educate and inform you, not to give you my trades all the time. It would be foolish. I can tell you one thing. I was short in B. I was short up here. I took a couple of longs against yesterday's low, which worked out. And then I just shorted constantly in J, K, L, and M every time it pushed up. Not at the lows. I wasn't chasing, but every push up, I would short. Now, destinations for tomorrow. I didn't write down today's low. By the way, we held the monthly and yearly low by, what did we hold it by? 59 cents. Q's smashed through January's low. So we're going to go over some of those charts. So right now, upside destination will be L's low, price probe, 422.18. Then we have 3 sets of single prints. First one started L's high, 423.90, get filled at J's low, 424.15. Second set, K's high, 424.79, get filled at I's low, 425.05. And then the third set, all the way up at G's high, they started 430.27 and get filled at 431. B's highest accepted price of 431.17. So if buyers ever take or attempt to take this day back, those single prints and B's high is my line in the sand. And then today's high of 433.26. Remember I said this morning, nothing changes unless we take out a daily high? Guess what? Didn't come close to taking out a daily high, did we? But a downside, we have today's low of 421.35. Monthly and yearly low as of now, 420.76. Now write these down. I don't know if I gave them, but I'm not going to give them again. 420.08 daily low. 419.80 afternoon pullback low from June 21st of last year. So almost taking out half of 2021. 2 sets of single prints, 419.66 to 21 from the 21st. 419.06 to 418.03 from the 21st. That's $1.03. So that's a nice set of single prints. And then below that, 417.81, which was the lowest accepted price from June 21st. So from June to early January, the SPY went up from we rounded out 418 to 480. $62 we went up off of that lowest accepted price. Powerful stuff, right? And then 415.93 weekly low and 414.70 monthly low. We'll not repeat those again. Now, let's go to the charts, because a lot happening here, and I think it's worth to have a longer video. So the monthly, we have 3 trading days left in the month. Are we going to have an inside month? Well, we're teetering at taking out January's low. I don't think we will. The bigger question is, what happens when we take out January's low? Are we just going to get it and that's it? Or are we going to get it and find acceptance? Well, we'll find out. But right now, we're down in the monthly, inside month still for now. Weekly, clearly down. There's my line in the sand. There's the yearly low. And the daily, obviously, down. One-time framing down, 4 days. Right? Remember I said once we take out these 2 daily lows, which was a balanced low, we will get the monthly low? Well, guess what? We're almost there. We're going to get it. So all 3 time frames are down. And the bigger question is, what do we get below January's low? Now, just quickly, triple Qs. So triple Qs blew through January's low with almost $5 below it. Now, let's see how much more they want to take out of it to the downside. Right? I'm not going to even show you the rest. But you see the way, look at that, boom. And then Russell, because I'll recap all these Friday. Now, Russell is like us, but they haven't even come close to January's low, 188.09. Right? They're still $4.50 above it. But keep in mind, though, Russell already went into bear territory. Triple Qs, right? Triple Q's high was 408. Okay, 408 was our high. So $80 would be bear cut, right? 20%. That's 322. So triple Qs are close. They didn't get there yet, but triple Qs are only $7 off of going into correction territory. and a bear. Not correction, bear. 10% is correction. So we're going to see if they get there, what happens. As far as SPY's high was 480. So $48 is 10%, so $96, right? So $100 off the high would be 380. So 384 would be bear market territory. So we're even a lot further away, right? We close at 422, 384, that's 16. We're $38 away from it still. So we're still $38 away from bear market territory. Triple Qs are only, what did I say, $9? Something like that. So they're a lot closer. So a lot of different things happening here on all of these, right? I'm not surprised Russell's acting the best. People have to put money somewhere. So, that's kind of where it's going. Even though they're still going down, they're not going down. I think that's why they're further away from January's low, at least for now. At some point, if we decide to throw the baby out with the bathwater, they're going to go also. Now, one more real important point. We haven't even had long-term money sell the crap out of this market yet. Now, I'm sure they're selling a bunch of those tech stocks that, that Cathie Woods' portfolio is getting destroyed in. But as far as the overall market, we've really gone down very calmly, very visually, very mechanically, right? Long-term sellers won't play back and forth through yesterday's low 3 times. Long-term sellers don't give a rat's ass about January's low the way we just missed it. So, are there long-term sellers in Qs? Maybe. But as far as the ES and this S&P, which I trade, I don't see them yet as far as controlling the action. Plus the volume, even though it's good, 128 million, isn't crazy yet. So that would be really something if they do get involved. I hope they do. Keep up this volume and volatility. I really enjoy doing these videos. I hope they help you. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Listen, we kept a lot of people out of trouble today in CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room while this profile is being streamed. Come check us out. It's $30 a month to check us out for a month. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.